Today we're going to be taking a look at Deka's stackable battery cables. These are available in either red or black and in lengths of 7, 9, 13, and 15 inches. Each of these cables will come pre-crimped with eyelets on the end so you can make your connections. These are ideally used for connecting battery banks together so you can add multiple batteries together. Whether you're going to be using 12-volt batteries and hooking them together in parallel to get more capacity, or if you have 6-volt batteries and you're going to be doing a series parallel setup, these are going to be suitable for all of that. The color coding makes it easy for you to be able to identify which side is the negative of your battery and which side is the positive. These are also a heavier duty welding cable, which is going to be better than your standard battery cable. You'll be able to pass more current through these cables, which is ideal if you are planning for an off-grid setup. Here we set up a solar panel with an inverter with our battery bank, and we use these cables to connect them together so we can ensure we're going to be able to get the most capacity and amperage from our batteries at any given point. Our inverter has a maximum output of 50 amps, and we want to ensure that our cables are going to be able to transfer that kind of current to the rest of our motorhome without getting too hot and potentially breaking down. Now, while we mentioned these are great for getting battery banks set up, since they're a short length, it's easy to get those connections between your batteries. But if you get one of the longer ones, maybe about 13 or 15 inches, and your inverter is near your battery bank, you can also use these to make the connection from your inverter to your battery bank, because you want to have the largest, most durable wire possible so you get the most current and you don't have any loss through your wiring. And you can see here that they are stackable. You can easily place multiple on one, and they just lay like that, and they take up a very small amount of space. You'd see here if you were to slide that over a bolt, you're only taking up maybe a 1/4 inch worth of that bolt. So you could add many of these onto one stud with no issue. The eyelets on the end come pre-crimped, which is really nice because the equipment you need to be able to crimp a butt connector onto a wire this size is not likely something you'd have sitting around. You need a hydraulic crimp to do that. So it's great that it comes pre-crimped, and then I like that they use some heat shrink on it to seal it all up to keep any moisture out of the connection point there. This will just help ensure a long-lasting operation of your cables. The opening in the eyelets is a 3/8 opening, so any battery that uses a 3/8 bolt or has a 3/8 stud on it, you could easily connect these cables directly to it.